Hey guys, Leon here from Laoyat TV. 360 cameras are something of a niche market. They're often finicky devices that either shoot mediocre video or are just plain expensive. Enter the Insta360 One X, the company's latest 360 camera offering a bunch of new features without breaking the bank. But just how good is it? In the box of the One X, you get the device itself, a pouch to store your camera in when you're on the go, and a string to do some bullet time effects. We also got the optional Insta360 bullet time bundle that comes with a selfie stick and a bullet time handle. You basically connect the stick to the handle and swing it around like you would with the string for bullet time shots, but more on that later. The One X is capable of shooting 360 video in 5.7K at 30 frames per second and 4K up to 50 frames per second. The image quality of the One X is not bad, but it's still obviously lagging behind 2D flat image cameras. Even in 5.7K, the colors look muted and dull. The overall image has a soft look to it, which is especially apparent when you're cropping in. But as far as 360 cameras go, the One X is definitely a cut above the rest, and that's without mentioning the different modes and features available. One of the standout features of the One X is time shift. Time shift allows you to slow down or speed up your clips on the app, and it produces some pretty impressive results. You're able to slow down clips as low as a quarter speed or speed it up by 32 times. The sweet spot though is 16 times speed, as that activates the hyperlapse feature. All you have to do is select where on the clip you want the effect to be, toggle motion blur on, and export the clip. You will only be able to see the hyperlapse effect after you've exported the clip though, so keep that in mind. Bullet time is an effect where the camera makes a 360 turn around you in slow motion. To do this, all you have to do is attach the included bullet time string to the One X, or get the optional bullet time stick and handle and get swinging. This feature does seem like a one-time party trick, though it is probably best suited for actions and sports. There are other features such as time-lapse mode and 360 live streaming, all of which can be accessed through the Insta360 One X smartphone app. Speaking of the app, the Insta360 One X app isn't the most intuitive to use. You'll most likely be tapping around learning where things are in the beginning, but once you're familiar with it, it's actually quite straightforward. The app could still use some work though, because it is actually quite sluggish to navigate around and even crashes quite often. This feels even more so when transferring 5.7K files from the camera to the phone because it takes so long. Exporting will sometimes take 10 to 15 minutes for longer clips, and this really heats up and drains the battery of your phone. Insta360 has just released the Insta360 Studio for One X on the Mac and PC. Before this, the software was in beta for the longest time and you couldn't really do much, if anything at all. While you can now add keyframes to reframe your 360 shots just like on mobile, you still can't add hyperlapse points to your clips. Insta360 says that they will add it in a later version, but leaving out one of your camera's main features in the software just makes it seem half-baked. At a retail price of 1,799 ringgit, the One X offers pretty good quality 360 video and a ton of other features. The battery life lasts about an hour, and you can always get more batteries and just swap it out when it's running low. The software side of things is where Insta360 needs to work on. The mobile app is simple enough to use, but could definitely benefit from some stability improvements. The same can be said for the desktop software, as it has yet to have all the features of the app. If you've been meaning to try out 360 videos, the Insta360 One X could definitely fit the bill with its quality video and features. That is to say, if you can get by with its rather cumbersome software. The Insta360 One X isn't the perfect 360 camera, but it's likely the best consumer 360 camera out right now. So let us know what you guys think of the Insta360 One X and what you guys think of this video. Let us know down in the comment section below, and as always, like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!